Nigga finna thrash on a mozzarella stick.
I don't eat mozzarella stick, guys.
What the fuck?
Oh, God. What happened?
God damn, this shit almost got down $4.20 for a gallon of premium. That shit crazy.
He ain't never just tried to line it up.
That's crazy. Yeah, them rotors is gone. What you think that old man trying to do? Think he trying to line that shit up?
Yeah, dawg. Fuck it, do his ass just because.
He ain't gonna go 12 right now.
I thought I heard his ass say that now.
Thought about it. That's about it. Thought about it. The intake manifold. Put an intake manifold space on them, bro. Lighter 3.7 magnesium manifold and sucking in more air while doing it cooler and being lighter at the same time. What's this over here? What's this nice ass building right here? What we got right here?
I don't know about shit down
God
here.
damn.
We just come down here and fuck shit up.
Look like a nice looking neighborhood over here. Look like they done goddamn gentrified shit.
Few seconds later, nigga doing donuts. I swear to God, fool, if they come down there and scats and tracks and shit, the donuts all right here. Police just be sitting right there.
What can they do?
Shit.
Damn, that's wrong.
That's what I love about Memphis. They gonna shoot a nigga out though. Which I can't blame them. Cause they would shoot the shit out their ass too. It's a dog eat dog world.
Oh, goddamn. Try and run through the middle of the city. Damn. Phillips recorded service. Oh, that's a goddamn stew over here. Feels a green light. I was gonna get off on her ass. Damn, you big backless old duplicate looking motherfucker, you. Damn, that shit so crazy. They got a whole goddamn garage gate closing that some bitch off. Yeah, crazy. Hotel Napoleon. That might be the goddamn.
Some white nigga.
Yeah. We about to hit the water, nigga.
Smack the elbow.
We about to slice the water, nigga. Damn, look at that old school motherfucker. Look at that, old rose. Hell yeah, that's an old rose. Nigga, what? That's crazy. I have no part of that. I don't want no business in that. That was like another coon. Holy shit, dude. at those. Twin. See that motherfucker right there? Ain't nothing like this motherfucker right here. I dog walk this motherfucker. He don't want no smoke. God damn, ain't shit but red lights down this son of a bitch. Better be more true. Like that, and I'm so gonna eat that burger when I get the fuck home too. I'll be damn if I got them. Ooh, and that one last mozzarella stick too.
It's different.
Okay. Damn, can't go straight, huh? What is this? Them niggas stopped. I almost stopped too. Them niggas posted on every block.
They be so fucking deep back there. That little gate open back there. Man, they be like a motherfucking GTA lock. All types of cars in it.
Damn.
Half of them might be stolen, but they be deep as hell with all the holes, all the guns, everything. Deep as a motherfucker.
I don't know, Jim. We don't want to go to everybody. We gotta have warrants.
To the truck.
Public parking. Is this public parking gonna be free? Down that scale when I pull out a lot though. You don't pay here, goddamn. They gonna goddamn. Hey, take a picture of your plate. I knew when we were coming up here, I would've goddamn swapped that bitch. See, license plate reader in use.
Here they go open up.
Goddamn. It's a tight ass spot to slide around.
Bye, have a great time.
It don't be done like a